I hope you got that. That was a good sequence. So anyway, yeah, that's the Fiat 500 500 Abarth. And that's exactly how I say it. I turn Italian for a second. Of course, I'm a little Italian, so it's okay.